Hey everyone, welcome to Cryptosherry's channel. Today, we're diving into Arbitrum Stylus Testnet. The Arbitrum team is buzzing with excitement, especially with the recent launch of Orbit, their first step into the Stylus journey. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of moving from Layer 1 to Layer 2 and then transitioning from Layer 2 to Stylus. Get ready, let's get into this guide first. To begin, you should integrate the Stylus Testnet into your MetaMask. Here's the network information you need. You can add it manually or simplify the process by using Chainlist. Then, request Sepolia Eth from Faucet. Let's clarify. Ethereum has two testnets, Sepolia and Goerli. It's crucial to note that Stylus is built on the Sepolia. This means you can only bridge from Arbitrum Sepolia to Stylus. Arbitrum Goerli won't function in this scenario. Select the correct network to ensure a seamless experience. The next step is to bridge ETH from Sepolia to Arbitrum Sepolia. From L1 to L2. Here's the Officale bridge from Arbitrum. Then, bridging ETH from Arbitrum Sepolia to Stylus. From L2 to Orbit. Finally, let's bridge back from Arbitrum Stylus to Arbitrum Sepolia, retracing our steps from Orbit back to Layer 2. Alright. Now that we've gone through the recipe, let's make it happen. To start, visit the Ethereum Sepolia faucet, ensuring that you've selected Ethereum Sepolia instead of Ethereum Goerli. I'm already logged in, and I've requested 0.5 Sepolia earlier today, so I'll skip this step in the video. There's already a balance of Sepolia in this wallet. Alright, let's move to Arbitrum Bridge. I will bridge 0.1 ETH from Sepolia to Arbitrum Sepolia today. Check on gas. Confirm. This process involves 2 steps and takes about 10 minutes. I completed it once yesterday. The first step was successful quickly, and the second one is currently pending, requiring an additional 10 minutes to confirm the transaction on Layer 2. Great! The move is now completed, and you can notice double success, Step 1 on Sepolia and Step 2 on Arbitrum Sepolia. Let's verify the updated balance on MetaMask. Next up, we'll bridge ETH from Arbitrum Sepolia to the Stylus Testnet. Today, we'll initiate the process with 0.05 ETH. Remember, you can't directly bridge ETH from Layer 1 to Orbit. Check on gas. Confirm. This step is lightning fast, taking less than a minute to complete. Alright, it's done. Now let's double-check the balance on MetaMask. Fantastic! We've successfully received 0.05 ETH. Now, let's treat ourselves to an NFT on Omnibase. Capture your exploration on the Stylus Testnet. Oh, and one more thing. Make sure not to overlook bridging back ETH from Stylus to Arbitrum Sepolia. I tend to leave a bit of balance. So this time I'll bridge back 0.04 ETH. Alright, 2 important notes. Firstly, keep in mind that bridging back from Orbit to Layer 2 will take about 1 hour. Secondly, you need to claim the funds on Layer 2 and be ready for an additional transaction fee. Consider setting up a calendar reminder to keep track. I'll skip this part for now. Alright, you can track this transaction here. It is pending now and an hour remaining. Transaction on L2 will show after claiming. Fine, let's have a break. Welcome back. 2000 years later, a claim reminder is coming, which means the bridging process has been completed. Claim the 0.04 ETH. Great! At this point, we've successfully completed the bridging process from Stylus to Arbitrum Sepolia. Check the MetaMask balance and activities. On Stylus, we have successfully withdrawn 0.04 ETH. Alright, that wraps up everything on the menu for today. Excited for more thrilling developments from Arbitrum? Take care everyone, and see you in the next video.